Hey guys, it's your girl Zahara, and today our topic here is slime. Now the other slimes that I had dried out. That's why you gotta make good slime. And so I only have two slimes, which is two foamy slimes. This one and this one. Giant one. So let's get on with the video. And what I need you to do is Z the like button and Z the subscribe button. I'm only at 5 subscribers. I need more subscribers, guys, and you guys can help me. I will be giving a slime giveaway if you get me to 10 subscribers. When it's due is in December. 2 months from now, I think. Anyway, let's get on with this video and make me stop talking. So this is probably too close to the ground. So here's our slime. So this one didn't have too much foam balls in it, but the other one did. The purple one that I showed you guys. Freak the container. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna just put this at a better view because I know you guys can barely even see. So there. So let me just go back. So I try to post more videos. It's just that there's something going on with my phone and I can't post, you guys. It won't let me. And this is the longest that it's recording. Eventually, it's gonna turn off. And yeah, and I cannot pause this or else it'll end. I pressed the square button and thinking that it was paused, but no. But yeah, I'm gonna try to set this up somewhere and use something. So let me just, come on, you guys, come on.
For the queen. Yo, I take a swing for the queen. Yeah, that's how I live for the queen. My wife caught a case, I did a bid with the queen. Yo, I make it hot for the queen. I do the walk for the queen. Come on, I take shots for the queen. Got married on love and hip hop for the queen. Touch foes before I can even touch O's. I had to lock, load, reload, and unload. You think drug money is free? I suppose that money about as free as the man with his cup closed. Hammers, I tuck those. On cameras, I duck those. Ran on the rough road. I stand on the unknown. Sandwiches up, oh, I'm sandwiching both flows.
Guess what? Okay, this is the freaking type of dream I have.
You just gonna interrupt me. I'm over here making my